on, guys? Nick Anderson here with Paul Ivacoli. Just got done with a hike. We are actually going to film this video for you. You know, at the top of the mountain over there, close to a waterfall, but Paul's just like screaming into the camera, couldn't hear us, so we decided to drive down here, film it for you in front of the lake. But what we want to talk about in this video for you guys is something that helped us in the beginning of the industry and transitioned us to the point where we are today. And what we're talking about is, you know, having a vision and having a big dream. And I want you to think back when you were in elementary school and your teacher asked you, what do you want to be when you grow up? And, you know, the typical answers were probably, you know, doctor, they want to be astronaut, you know, teacher, and of course, obviously they want to be the president. You know, everyone wants to be something big. They have a big dream and a goal when they're kids, but as we start to get older, slowly our dream turns from pretty much, you know, conquering like the world to just conquering the weekends. And I remember back when I was in college, that was my dream, just conquering the weekends, getting done with the week, getting done with my tests, and I would scrape enough money together every single week just for the parties we'd have on like Friday and Saturday nights. And the only dream that I had was to that point. You know, I hadn't gone beyond that. I didn't know what I was going to do when I graduated from school. But when I came back home and I got started in the industry, my mind slowly started to go from, you know, that mindset where, you know, college is the best years of your life. If you think about it, whoever coined that term, they must be broken out. Because if college years are the best years of your life, then what do you have to look forward to for the next 50 to 70 years? See, that quote right there really made me think, and it just started developing my mindset to the point where I changed my vision. I had a bigger dream, I had a bigger belief. See, the problem with people is, you know, it's not that they dream too big and they miss, it's the fact that they set their dreams too low and they hit. You know, you gotta have big dreams. I mean, you gotta shoot for the moon, and if you missed, at least you'll land among the stars. You know, that comes from Les Brown, one of my favorite motivational speakers, and you know, he talks a lot about having that vision, having that dream, having that belief. But with that being said, you know, I actually want Paul to go into that a little bit more and teach you exactly how you can expand your vision and, you know, develop your dream a little bit further.
So what's up, guys? Sorry if it's you know, it's pretty windy right now, so we're trying to keep it loud for you guys. Hopefully you can hear. I mean, like he said, we were trying to do it next to a waterfall, even louder than this. But you know, we just got done with an 8-mile hike. I'm not gonna lie, we're both pretty tired, but we decided, you know, it's a beautiful day. We've got to make the video in front of the lake at least before we leave Highlight. And so here it is, you guys. You know, I was inspired last night to talk a little bit about vision and belief. You know, and I truly do believe. You know, I remember hearing one of my mentors, Holton Buds, say that network marketing does not take faith to build anymore. Okay? Because faith is it's having the belief in something that's unseen, something that's not been done yet. The person who ran the first 4-minute mile, the very first one, no one thought they could do it before the 1950s. Someone finally did it. Now everyone, you know, believed they could do it. And it didn't take faith anymore. It was already done. If you saw someone do what you want to do, then you just need to have belief within yourself. And so I wanted to talk about vision, you guys. So many people get stuck on, you know, setting short-term goals. And I think goals are a good thing, but once you have the vision in place. Okay? Don't go out there and set a bunch of short-term goals thinking, I need to make 1,000 here, I need to, you know, get 10 people enrolled there, if I just had this, if I just had that. No, the short-term goals will come to you when the vision is set in place. Okay? The bigger dream. Once you start to understand that there's bigger things out there. And I know we can all relate to, you know, knowing some people in our lives that are 35 years old, 30 years old, 25 years old, who are going through the motions, work day in, day out, day in, day out. They don't have a purpose in life. They don't feel happy. They're not excited about life. They died at 30 and are buried at 70, you guys. And realize that's not the way you want to live. So, how do you actually set a vision for yourself? And if you don't have that yet, if you do have you kind of know where you want to go. How do you expand on that vision? How do you amplify it? Well, I believe it's two things. The very first step is surrounding yourself with people like Nick. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, until I started surrounding myself with Nick, the ideas just flowed so much more easily. See, I surrounded myself with someone who had the same vision as me. And as soon as you do that, that vision just gets amplified. Alright? 2 minds are greater than 1. Alright? And I believe that the second thing is being able to understand that you don't have to go out there and work day in, day out in network marketing. But instead, here's the deal. Just work at it a little bit every day. That's it. Just chip it away at it. Alright? Set a brick in place. Alright, imagine if you had, you know, 1,000 bricks, you had to build a cute little monument, whatever it may be, you guys. You had 1,000 bricks, and you didn't want to do it all in one day. That's a lot of work. Don't do it all in one day. Just set 1 brick a day. And you know what? Eventually in 1,000 days, your empire will be built. You guys see what I'm saying? They do say that Rome didn't take, you know, it wasn't built in a day. Understand that this business isn't going to be built for you in a day. So have a long-term vision. See it already done, and then work at it just little by little by little. And I promise you guys, that alone will amplify your vision. You're going to start to see bigger things in your future. And you know what? You're going to be excited about waking up. You'll be excited even though you got 4 or 5 hours of sleep last night to go build your dream after you get off of your job. You guys. So I hope you guys really take that into effect, really start to amplify your vision, and we'll talk to you guys soon.